Okay, the question says Peter was traveling from tau x to tau y. When Peter covered 3/7 of the journey, he passed by Mike that was traveling in the same direction. So let's start drawing the chart. Okay, tau x, tau y. Peter was traveling from tau x to tau y. We cut the total distance into 7 equal portions. Okay, because of the fraction given us, 3/7. Okay, after Peter traveled 3 portions, he met up with Mike in the same directions, traveling in the same directions. Okay. So now, and then another 3 hours later, Peter reached tau y. So time 2 for the second part of his journey, Peter 3 hours. Okay. Then at this time, well, for Mike, he was traveling at 35 km per hour constant speed, and 3 hours later, he was still 55 km away from tau y. All right, away from tau y. So the question is, how long did Mike take? That means what is the time taken for Mike to travel from tau x to tau y? So now look here. For Mike, the time taken for 3 hours, he traveled 3 hours multiplied by the speed given by the question, 35 km per hour. That works out to be 105 km. So from the point he met up with Peter, the distance from this point to tau y is 105 plus 55. That gives us 160 km. Alright? Therefore, same thing. This is the same distance that Peter took where he met up with Mike to tau y, 160 km. Okay? Now look at the distance chart here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 portions, 4 equal portions is equal to 160 km. Therefore, 1 portion will be 40. 160 by 4 is 40 km. Okay, so for the first part of Peter's journey, he traveled 3 portions. So 3 times 40 is 120. So from here straight away we know that the total distance covered from tau x to tau y is 120 plus 160. That is 280 km. Okay. Okay, since Mike was traveling at constant speed of 35 km per hour, so time taken by Mike would be distance 280 km divided by 35 km per hour. Alright, 280 divided by 35 give us 8 hours exactly. So that's how long Mike took to travel from tau x to tau y. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.